Channel Natural Treatment and Home Remedies presents video on pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than cough syrup.
1 cup of fresh pineapple juice. 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. 1 piece of grated ginger. 1 tablespoon raw honey. ½ teaspoon cayenne pepper. Instructions: blend all ingredients and take 1/4 cup, 2 to 3 times a day and repeat recipe daily.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video on pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than cough syrup. Subscribe to our channel and learn more about new things. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe, comments, likes and share. Thanks.